What up, my cruisers? This is a different video today. On this video, we're taking my mom's Lexus RX 350 and we're going to Costco. Get some new tires for her. She got some Michelins, so I'll probably put up on the screen right now. And I'm just going to show you the process of buying tires on Costco.com. Going to Costco Tires to get an appointment and then get them put them on. I'll show you the process. All right, let's roll. So first thing you're going to do is when you go to Costco.com, you're going to search for your tire by entering your vehicle license plate or tire size. Then you're going to select the tires. Then you're going to schedule an appointment from your chosen Costco tire center, and the tires will be shipped for free to the tire center of your choice. So after you order tires, it's going to show you the Costco location, your order number, and your membership number. And here's just the rundown of the price and everything that we paid for the tires. And then here's a look at the Michelin Cross Climate 2s. See the stats. Speed rating B. 19-inch tires. You see all the specs right there. And then the warranty information. So after you buy your tires on the Costco website, make sure you head to CostcoTireAppointments.com to book your appointment. Next step, you're going to type in your zip code. Search for the nearest Costco Tire Center to you. Then you're going to select your year, make, and model. And choose what service you want. In this case, we're getting new tires. And we don't need any additional services. We're going to click continue. And then you just select the date where you purchase tires. And then boom. Then you get this appointment reminder. When you get close to your whatever day you chose to install the tires.
5 hours later.
So yeah, this is my mom's car right here. It's a Lexus 2012 RX 350. Scheduled my tire appointment pretty much first thing. It was like 10 a.m. on a Sunday, right when they opened up. It took them about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. It wasn't too long. I just walked around inside the Costco, had a little breakfast, and then pretty much came out and it was done. So you also have the option of keeping your tires if you want. I decided to keep mine. You can also leave them at Costco because they already charge you a recycling disposal fee, and I decided just to keep mine. Might resell them, try to make a little extra cash. I mean, they're decent. They're kind of worn, but you know they still got some dirt on them, so they bag them up for you too at Costco. So. Cross Climate Michelins. That's how they look.